Welcome to History 247, where you get undiluted educational historical facts.
Early typewriter prototypes featured an alphabetical keyboard arrangement. This design placed frequently used letters in close proximity on the keyboard. When these keys were struck in rapid succession, mechanical issues arose. The corresponding metal type bars would physically clash and jam within the machine's basket. This mechanical interference significantly hindered typing speed and overall efficiency. Frequent interruptions were necessary to untangle the stuck components, disrupting workflow. The QWERTY keyboard layout was developed by Christopher Sholes to solve a mechanical problem. Early typewriters suffered from jamming when frequently used letter pairs were typed quickly. Sholes strategically separated common letter pairs, like TH or HE, on the keyboard. This design reduced type bar collisions, enabling a more fluid and continuous typing experience. The QWERTY layout, developed by Sholes in 1873, revolutionized typing and office productivity. The subsequent addition of the Shift key allowed a single key to produce both uppercase and lowercase characters. Despite the obsolescence of mechanical type bars, the QWERTY layout's fundamental design persisted. It became the universal standard for digital keyboards on computers, smartphones, and tablets, showcasing its adaptability.
Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more educational historical videos like this.